Turn now to a Local 10 exclusive. Severe coastal flooding in Havana thanks to high tide that rushed through the famous seawall, the Malecon. That high tide inundated neighborhoods and even overturned cars along the coast. Here's Local 10's Hatzavello, the one and only reporter from a local TV station in the entire U.S. to report from inside Cuba.
You can see some of the neighborhoods here in Havana remain flooded, the results of strong tides and strong winds, similar to what you see in South Florida, except here we did get a sense of the rescue portion of it. Cuban authorities acting quickly to make sure that everybody was safe. Along Paseo, pumps used to get the water out. At least 5 of these trucks were in one neighborhood where cleanup took most of the morning. She says the water eventually goes away, but not before leaving a mess. Check out several garages completely flooded. The power of the ocean clearly seen in these images. Several cars flipped on their side. This one somehow ends up on top of this concrete planter. It all starts Monday night, folks watching and waiting, as drains can barely keep up with the rushing water. While Cuban authorities organize their next move, the water keeps inching farther inland. Crews use a chair to bring out a young boy to safety. In the distance, this man treks through the waist-deep water. You can see the sea crashing against the Malecon. So we're in Paseo and 7th, just 3 blocks away from the Malecon. That gives you a sense of how high the tide is at this hour. You can see workers feverishly working to try to make sure that the water drains, and a lot of folks at this hour waiting to figure out how they're going to get back in their homes. Maria Luisa Rivera, preschool teacher by trade, tells us those who live nearby were told about the tide and possible flooding. The trouble here, she says, is sometimes you have people who don't want to leave their homes thinking nothing will happen. Firefighters will go in and get the elderly folks who may not have had the chance to leave their homes. Cuban authorities have divers on standby at command centers used to stay aware of the situation. Victor Diaz shows us video of when the water started flooding the streets. He's Cuban, but lives in Germany now and is visiting. Calls the whole thing impressive, then shows us his pants still soaked after being forced to tread through the water. As it got darker Monday, in other areas, near the waterfront hospital, for example, it was tough to get around. The tide-related flooding also affected traffic in the late afternoon and early evening. We're still working with authorities to figure out the final tally on who may have been evacuated from their homes, including tourists, because there are some hotels nearby. Hatzavello, Local 10, Havana.